Hey guys, Devamit and Shrotik one more time.
Hello guys, myself Shrotik Datto.
Today we are going to talk about JavaScript. Okay, let's begin. So, Shrotik, what is JavaScript? Is it a programming language?
No, JavaScript is a scripting language.
It's a scripting language.
Yes, it is a scripting language.
It's not a programming language.
It is a scripting language as well as it is a programming language.
Yes, JavaScript is a scripting language as well as programming language. So tell us about JavaScript.
JavaScript is a lightweight programming language. Also, it is a scripting language because it uses the web browser to run the script. The web browser receives the JavaScript code from original text and runs it.
Okay, JavaScript code and runs it. So there are two types of JavaScript.
One is general JavaScript and the second one is modern JavaScript. So today our topic is general JavaScript.
So today we are going to talk
about general script features.
General features of JavaScript. Okay. So today we are going to talk about the general features of JavaScript. The first feature of general JavaScript is validating user input. JavaScript is a very useful while using forms. It has the capacity to validate user input for errors and also saves time. If the user leaves a required field empty on the information or the information is incorrect, JavaScript checks for that form before sending the data over to the server. Okay. So
the second one is simple client-side calculation. Since JavaScript is a client-side technology, it can perform basic calculation on the browser. The browser does not need to ask server time for every task. This is especially helpful when a user needs to perform this calculation repeatedly.
Okay. So I'm going to talk about the third point, that is greater control. JavaScript provides greater control to the browser rather than being completely dependent on the web servers. JavaScript provides various browsers with additional functionalities that helps reduce server load network traffic.
And the fourth one is platform independent. Since browser interpret JavaScript, it solves the problem of compilation and compatibility.
Okay, it solves the problem of compilation and compatibility. Okay.
Thus, it can run on Windows, Macintosh, and other Netscape supported systems.
Okay.
Also, it is possible to embed them in any other script like HTML that keeps JavaScript into use.
Okay, it can embed in any other scripting language, right?
Yes.
Right. HTML
like
and
HTML,
others.
PHP.
Okay. So the fifth one is handling dates and times. Unlike other programming languages, JavaScript has built-in functions to determine the date and time. Thus, it is very easy to code only by using methods like getDate.
Now, the sixth one is generating HTML content. JavaScript has very handy features to dynamically generate HTML content for the web. It allows us to add text, link, images, tables, and etc.
Okay, so right now I'm going to talk about the last features of JavaScript, last but not the least. Okay, that is detecting the web's browsers and OS. Okay, JavaScript is very capable in the detection of the user's browsers and OS information. So JavaScript runs on every platform. There may be occur a situation where we need the user's browser before processing. Thus can be helpful for writing code that results in different outputs in different browsers. Yes. So these are the things about JavaScript. Today we have talked about Today we have talked about the general features of JavaScript. Yes. In our another session, we are going to talk about the modern features of JavaScript. So bye for now. Okay.
Subscribe
our channel and hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.